a walkthrough of room 10102. This is an executive king at Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. And to say I was impressed with this room is an understatement. It's 11:30 in the morning, and those of you that watch my regular vlog will know we had an almighty hassle getting a room before 3 PM at Caesar's Palace, where we've just come from. So, but they let us have this at 11:30, no questions asked. So kudos to MGM for that. So this is the bathroom. Dual sinks. The toilet's in here. And you've got a nice walk-in shower. And then a tub in the corner as well. Some cool artwork. And this is the storage space here with your safe in the corner. Actually, there are quite a few hangers as well, which is unusual. The bed looks super comfy. You got plugs on all of the bedside lights. Fairly small TV actually for a wall that size, but perfectly adequate. This will be your chargeable items in there. No room for your own stuff, which is pretty much always the way at MGM. And various charging ports here. As I said, this is Executive King, so I guess designed for people that are travelling for work, and you've got a nice workstation there. And then a really nice seating area here. Really impressed with it. And the view of the Strip. Windows are a little dirty, but it's a very similar view actually to the foundation room upstairs where we ate earlier in the trip. But I got this on an M-Life comp, 4 free nights, 175 free play, which I think, because we're checking in on a Wednesday, I should get that doubled to 350. I did last week, plus 150 resort credit. So very, very impressed with this. I don't know, it's sort of almost my favourite room of the trip so far. We've stayed at Bellagio, Caesars, Circa and here, and I don't know, I really like this room. Really, really like it. So yes, very happy. Our final few days in relative luxury. Speak to you soon.